Why humans so excluded from nature? Well, because it's dangerous. This is a dangerous place. It is beautiful. It looks completely beautiful, but as soon as I turn here, it's just some random place. And there can be anything in here. Like, you can absolutely find anything. As soon as it turns dark, I'll have to run away from here because darkness is just the fear of the unknown. I hear some voices there, and it is completely scary, but it is indeed very beautiful. The place is completely beautiful. Just see this. The grass is so nice, but also the thought that what hides beneath it kind of scares me. See this. See how beautiful that looks? But it's so scary, right? Also, this is amazing. It's amazing. I was talking about why are humans so excluded from the nature right now. Indians in this context are completely excluded because of the races that we are in, the competitiveness, the population that is in the country. Most of the time, many people may want peace and want to move to a place that is completely secluded, which is dangerous, but people do that. People still do that. Just because they're so exhausted, just because they're so exhausted from this kind of oh shit, from this race, that they'll come here at a place from which they can feel peace. Now, peace is the most important thing. Having peace is the most important thing. There, right there is my bike parked. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe you cannot see that. Yeah, these dogs. Just near them. See how beautiful this place is. Amazing. So this, I'm just saying that people need to give time to nature. You need to get out of the race and give time to your mental being. In your 20s or in your teenage years, you have to be in touch with nature, either or. With time being passed, you will realize that you don't love this kind of nature anymore, and you don't. That's why we see a lot of people not planting trees, because they don't know, they don't appreciate it enough, appreciate the peace it brings enough. This is such a beautiful place. I can play I can play football here for like my whole life if I want. But yeah, I have to study. Studying is a great thing. Don't get me wrong. Studying is a great thing. Let's study about something you want to study. Right? That's all that I want to say. But I just want to appreciate this. I want everyone watching appreciate how beautiful a place can be. If it's dangerous, but still so beautiful. You see it. There's a there's a tree there which has approximately 50 nests of bird, and it's a small tree, it's not a big tree, and approximately 50 nests are on that tree. That's amazing, right? And being beautiful is something nature has inherently. So aesthetics are here. Aesthetics are in the nature. Let's go over there.